Hello everyone, it's Natasha. Welcome back to the video on my channel, Ever Changing Ocean. Today I am giving you guys a booty workout. I'm super excited for today's workout because I personally have been consistently lifting heavy for the past week and I'm already seeing results. So I'm really excited to have this exercise or this workout routine be a supplemental booty activation for me. I'll show you guys. You guys probably can't notice any difference because you don't really know what my booty looked like from a side view like this particularly, but I already have a little bit more of a shelf going on. Like, that was not there last week, you guys. That was not there last week. So 1 week of consistently lifting heavy in the gym, I'm already seeing results and I'm super excited to keep going. If you guys are inspired by these, fitness girls that you're seeing on Instagram, a lot of those end results that you see, those end transformations tend to be, typically, if you're looking at them, they tend to be 3 years worth of consistent lifting. So just because, you started lifting, a week ago, a month ago, a year ago, doesn't necessarily mean that you're gonna go from the before and afters that you're seeing. It's years worth of consistency. So that's one of the reasons why I'm super excited to keep going, because this is probably a super weird analogy, but I feel like fitness is kind of like learning to play an instrument. You can always progress and do even more and become even better at your craft. Yeah, like maybe your instrument is just your body. Okay, that turned very wrong. So if you're someone who wants to just tone your booty and you're not really interested in gaining any booty gains or anything like that, this is still the workout for you, just to tone your booty and get a little bit of activation to your glute muscles. However, if you are someone like me who is lifting heavy in the gym and you just want an additional supplemental activation to those muscles that you're trying to grow, then this is also the workout for you. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into this video. You need a band. This is a resistance band workout. Now this is not technically a resistance band. This is actually like a pole band, whatever they're called. I don't know. Am I a fitness expert? Yes. Do I remember all the little terms? No, I don't. Yeah, so I just turned it into a band because this has a greater resistance than the little bands that I have here, and this is a nicer setting, so to speak, for my glute muscles. So to start out, I am just going to be doing some abductor movements. So we're going to be working our abductors, or the side, really working that side booty. Now we're going to be doing a similar thing, but activating this upper bum gluteal area, taking the leg to the back. Alright, so next we're going to do some side to side crab walk, crouching down just ever so slightly. Now we're just gonna do some squat pulses with the bands. Obviously, whole workout is with bands, girl. Okay. Now we're getting down onto the floor, and we're gonna do some donkey kicks with the bands. Obviously, wow, do I need to keep saying that? No, I don't. But anyways. can do the other side. Now we gotta do some fire hydrants. Other side. I think we should do one more. I'm gonna move my band down a little bit lower, and then we're just going to move the legs in and out, kind of like we're on an abductor machine. We'll just kind of replicate that. Alright, now we're gonna stretch that booty out. And we are done for today's workout. Thank you guys so much for joining me for a little booty session today. I also wanted to mention, if you are someone else who is working on getting some booty gains in the gym, working on lifting heavy consistently, then you should follow me on Instagram. Maybe we can we'll see each other's progress as we continue in the gym. And if you aren't someone who wants to gain booty gains, you should also follow me on Instagram, because I have a lot of other inspirational, life applicable concepts on my Instagram that I write about. Thanks so much for watching this video today, and hopefully I will be seeing you all in my next workout or in my next video, because it's not always a workout video. I do different things too. Till next time, bye!